We're going to be answering some questions about our article today, growing plants or growing food in our homes. So let's answer number 1. What is the paper about? Irwin family helps animals, growing food at home, or thanking hospital workers. So remember, we've read all of them. Which one did we read this week? This week we're reading Growing Food at Home.
Growing food at home.
Number 2, what becomes plants? Is it rocks, marbles, or seeds? Seeds.
Seeds.
So we had seeds that we put in those paper baggies or those Ziploc bags with the wet paper towels, and that is how our plants started growing. They were seeds. Number 3, where do many people grow food? Swimming pool, parking lots, or gardens? Where do they grow food? They grow it in gardens.
Gardens.
Because gardens have a lot of dirt, and plants and food need dirt to grow. Number 4, when do many people start growing food? Is it in the spring, winter break, or during bedtime? It's in spring.
Spring.
So right now it is spring, the season. The next 2 questions we didn't really go over in our reading, so I'll just answer it. Number 5, what are watermelons and blueberries? Are they fruits, vegetables, or meats? So watermelons and blueberries have seeds in them, and so that makes them fruits.
Fruits.
Number 6, what is a food people can grow? Bread, carrot, or cheese? So which one can people grow, like in their garden, from a seed? It is carrots.
Carrot.
So let's go over our answers one more time. I'll just read the answers. The paper is about growing food at home. Seeds become plants. People grow food in gardens. Many people start growing food during the spring season. Watermelons and blueberries are fruits. People can grow carrots.